Learn Croatian past tense. I went equals.
Išao sam.
Go equals.
Ići.
Hello from Synapse Lingo. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly coach for language superpowers. For more resources and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the Croatian past of to go. Keep your ears smiling, your brain is about to do a happy cartwheel. Your goal today. You'll hear, say, and laugh through the key forms, super practical, super quick. Ready? Let's go. English to Croatian cheat list. I went equals.
Išao sam.
Mask, speaker. You went, sing, mask, equals.
Išao si.
We went equals.
Išli smo.
You went, plural, polite, equals.
Išli ste.
It went equals.
Išlo je.
She went equals.
Ona je otišla.
Go, infinitive, equals.
Ići.
Tip. If you're a woman saying, I went, it's Ila Sam. Same pattern, different ending. Mini dialogue. Let's drop these into a funny day in the life scene. Listen first, then echo me. A. Big day. How did it go? B. It went great.
Išlo je.
Super. A. I went for coffee first.
Išao sam.
Po kavu. B. Of course you did. Then you went too fast.
Išao si.
Prebrzo. A. Relax, we went together.
Išli smo.
Skupa duorata. B. True, and you went the polite route.
Išli ste.
Ravno du sefa I rekli, dobar dan. A. What about Anna? B. She went home early.
Ona je otišla.
Kuchi rano. A. So overall, it went smoothly.
Išlo je.
Glatko. Pronunciation drumline. Clap or tap the table, speak on the beat. Your neighbors will think you're starting a Balkan band. Beat 1 to 2, I went.
Išao sam.
Beat 1 to 2, you went, sing.
Išao si.
Beat 1 to 2, we went.
Išli smo.
Beat 1 to 2, you went, plural.
Išli ste.
Beat 1 to 2, it went.
Išlo je.
Beat 1 to 2, she went.
Ona je otišla.
Final hit, to go.
Ići.
Culture tip. Idemo. At sports games and trips, you'll hear, let's go, as.
Idemo.
It's your green light word. Keep an ear out in Croatia, fans chant.
Idemo.
And your travel buddies will say.
Idemo.
When it's time to move. It all comes from the verb, to go, equals.
Ići.
Speed drills. Say the English, then fire the Croatian like a language ninja. I'll pause for you. I went.
Išao sam.
You went, sing.
Išao si.
We went.
Išli smo.
You went, plural, polite.
Išli ste.
It went.
Išlo je.
She went.
Ona je otišla.
Go, infinitive.
Ići.
Quick quiz. No pressure, only pleasure. Answer out loud, I'll reveal the key. 1. Translate. We went by tram. Answer.
Išli smo.
Tramvađam. 2. Translate. To a group, you went the right way. Answer.
Išli ste.
Pravam putam. 3. Translate. It went better than yesterday. Answer.
Išlo je.
Bolje nego juicer. 4. Translate. She went home. Answer.
Ona je otišla.
Kući. 5. What's the infinitive of to go? Answer.
Ići.
Challenge. Tiny travel tale. Create a 10-second story using at least 3 forms. Bonus points if it's silly. Example. It went well.
Išlo je.
Super. I went early.
Išao sam.
Rano. We went together.
Išli smo.
Kroz kisu, but she went home.
Ona je otišla.
Your turn. Go wild. Goodbye and keep going. Nice work, you just leveled up your Croatian. High five. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. To go equals.
Ići.
And its past forms.
Išao sam. Išao si. Išli smo. Išli ste. Išlo je. Ona je otišla.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and fun drills. See you next time, and
Idemo.